Hello everybody, today I'm gonna be playing some Forsaken. Today I'm cooking right now, guys. Yeah. And later, guys, I'm gonna be playing some sound effects if y'all don't. It's good to see you, Dad. It's good to see Dad. Where did he go? Us. Do you like this? I need. It's good to see you, Dad. I'm gonna leave you for last. I'm leaving for last so I can play my music. Hey! No fair. Hey! What the heck? I forgot what I said. I shouldn't save this until I found a shorter server. Here we go. Ready or not, here I go. Ready or not, here I go. I think there's a booby shop somewhere. Us! 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 See you next time. See you next time. Ouch! Oh, gosh dang it, bro. You're not the... What? You're not the real dad. He's over here. You're not the real dad. Get back here. You're not the real dad. Attaboy. No fair. Not fair. I don't know. Us! Oh, dang it. Come back here. Fun time isn't over. Fun time isn't over. Kids growing off their socks. You know them. I don't know. Here I come. Tag. You're it. Us! Hey, looks like you need some shut-eye, Dad. Don't you touch me! Haha! Oh, that was so lucky. I'm just saying. I'm telling Dad. You call my buddies. Buddies? Better get... Oh, what the heck? Oh, they're in here. Oh, you're over there. I really had to kill Dad. God. Hey, man. That's a fake. That's someone else. I need to keep a track of my stamina. My stamina. Here I come. Here I come. Tag. You're it. Tag. You're it. Oh, dang it. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. No, no. I cannot let them win. I can't let them win. Here I come. Gotcha. Ready or not, here we go. Oh, I see you. I see you, Dad. Dad, I see you. Dad, I see you. Dad, I see you. Dad, don't try to run away, bro. Dad, don't try to run away. No! Dang it! Are you serious? Quick! Dang it. Dude! Dude, that was like a clutch shot after the ending, bro. Bro! You just got across the nation at the end! You just got across the nature, bro! Bro, what? That was the amazing clip I ever seen, bro. Oh my gosh. Bro, that was like the OPest clip ever, bro. Just to record that. Oh my god. Okay, let's calm down real quick. This is my appetite. Green. Why? Well, why'd you ask? Oh wow, yeah, favorite color is green cause it's a Lil Mac. Little Mac. You don't know do you know who he is? Basically a boxer. No more time for dances, dog. You missed that. Dang it! I missed. Oh, on the bitch's vein. On the butcher's vein. In vain, all the virtue's vain. I don't know, that's part of the song. That's part of the song. Why? Why? Ow! Are you actually eating grapes? Why? 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 Oh man, I should have saved that. I should have just saved it. I need this. Can I grab this? Oh, I can. Ow! 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 Don't think get messed up in the house. No! Man, I didn't even reach any health. Ah! Ah! Bro, where's the idiot? No! 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 Alright, guys. Guys, that was a word for Alright, guys. I hope that was it for today's video. So, hit the like button and the subscribe button. That was the goodest clip from Being Cool Kid.